Hi, my name is Leo. Today, I'm visiting a farm to meet some amazing animals. Come with me. First, I see a cow. It says moo and loves to eat grass. Cows give us milk. Next, I meet some sheep. They are so soft and say baa. Sheep give us wool to make clothes. At the pond, I see ducks. They say quack, quack. Ducks love to swim and play in the water. In the muddy pen, I meet a pig. It says oink, oink. Pigs love to play in the mud. The horse is so big and strong. It says neigh. Horses can run fast and carry heavy loads. The bunny is so small and soft. It hops around and loves to eat carrots. I had so much fun meeting the farm animals. Each one is special in its own way. Which one is your favorite?